Nexo cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here will truly give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Nexo, which generally is very huge. The Nexo essentially has rapidly commonly acquired fundamentally extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like is Nexo a very wise interest in an unpretentious way? Is Nexo especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? How extremely high might Nexo at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Nexo expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to crucial genuinely past cost diagrams, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo kind of past value investigation, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As per the in every practical sense, most recent market information, today the cost of Nexo generally is 70 cents and Nexo is right now position number 99 in the genuinely whole crypto market, which basically is very huge. The flow supply of Nexo in a real sense is 560,011,000 with a market cap of $390,053,757 in most recent 24 hours. Or so they by and large thought, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 4.51% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo in a real sense was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.03% in a significant manner. Nexo certainly has shown areas of strength for truly potential, and this could be a somewhat great chance to explicitly dive right in and for the most part contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Nexo fundamentally has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, dispensing with an incredible typical cost of 6 cents from its by and large current value, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected descending development implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, and it tends to be a decent essentially purchase an open door for truly fast venture, which is genuinely huge. Nexo is somewhere near 0.17% with the extremely greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around 71 cents and the very least typical cost of certainly was around 69 cents and genuinely beyond 4 months. We generally do our scarcely awesome to gather really most extreme authentic information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate in every practical sense various elements like essentially past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning. In the event that you explicitly are looking to explicitly put resources into cryptographic money market, sort of make a point to sort of peruse our expectations in an every practical sense, large way. Nexo value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at least value level of 67 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost can arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 75 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. Nexo value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Nexo sort of is generally anticipated to fundamentally reach at any rate worth of $1.01. The Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $1.24 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $1.04. Nexo value estimate 2025 to 2026. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $1.45 in 2025. The Nexo cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.73 with the typical cost of $1.50 all through 2025. The cost of Nexo is fundamentally anticipated to reach at an essentially least degree of $2.08 in 2026 in an extremely large manner. The Nexo cost can by and large arrive at a greatest degree of $2.50 with the typical cost of $2.16 all through 2026. Or so they thought. Nexo value expectation for 2027 Nexo cost is gauged to really arrive at an essentially the most minimal degree of $3.08 in 2027 in a genuinely enormous manner. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $3.62 with the typical gauge cost of $3.17, which in a real sense is very critical. Nexo value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Nexo. In 2028, the cost of Nexo is estimated to truly be at around a base worth of $4.56 and in an every way that really matters, significant way. The Nexo value worth can basically arrive at a sort of limit of $5.47 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.69 in USD. Nexo value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Nexo especially is supposed to reach at, in every practical sense, least degree of $6.63 in 2029. The Nexo cost can especially arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 7.74, with the typical cost of $6.81 all through 2029. Or so they basically thought. Nexo value expectation figure for 2030 according to the estimate and sort of profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Nexo especially is supposed to really reach at a truly least value worth of $9.37 in a genuinely significant manner. The Nexo cost can fundamentally arrive at a greatest value worth of $11.20, with the typical worth of $9.71. Or so they thought. Nexo value expectation for 2031. The cost of Nexo basically is supposed to in a real sense reach at any rate worth of $14.57 in 2031, which is very critical. The Nexo cost could arrive at a really most extreme worth of $16.45, with the very normal exchanging cost of $14.96 all through 2031. Or so they explicitly thought. Nexo value expectation for 2032. Nexo cost is conjectured to, in every practical sense, arrive at a most reduced kind of conceivable degree of $21.20 in 2032, which especially is very huge. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a really most extreme conceivable degree of $25.43, with the typical gauge cost of $21.95. What generally is the Nexo cost today? Today, the cost of Nexo is 0.70, with the market cap of $390,053,757.000. Or so they certainly thought. What will explicitly be the Nexo certainly the most noteworthy generally anticipated cost for 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Irrefutably, the most noteworthy gauge cost for Nexo by and large is supposed to arrive at an especially greatest worth of 75 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. What will be the Nexo particularly the most elevated really anticipated cost for 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The most elevated gauge cost for Nexo especially is supposed to arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 75 cents toward the finish of 2024 in a very significant manner. How high can Nexo go? The typical cost of Nexo could fundamentally reach to 73 cents before the current year's over, which really is genuinely huge. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it really is assessed that the coin will effectively especially come to the $3.17 mark, which truly is genuinely critical. What amount will Nexo be genuinely worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, Nexo really has a remarkable potential to reach new ATHs, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It is gauged that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they thought, as per sort of numerous specialists and business experts. Nexo can raise a ruckus around town, the most elevated kind of conceivable cost of $25.43 till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Nexo a very wise interest in a significant way? The Nexo esteem especially is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize cost rise, which for the most part is very huge. The extremely long-haul growth strategies in Nexo for the most